What's going on, guys? Welcome back to sorry, day 68 of my day trading journey to profitability. You prove that it's possible. Um, and got a little emotional, um, kind of today. I entered a trade. It was a good trade. It was a good setup, but for some reason, I didn't want to wait it out. I don't know why. Um, but yeah, let's go over it. So, going into market open, we had this high all the way up here. I'm sorry, where are we? It's the 11. So we had this high all the way up here on the 4 hour, and then nothing. Actually, sorry, we had this low here. Um, yes, pretty similar situation. Have this low here, and on the hourly, that's what we had an hourly liquidity sweep. Um, Market opens right here, so we have this high, and then this low, and then this imbalance here. Same thing for here. And then right here. So you can see, let me go into the 5 minute. It's easier to see it. You can see there's a little bit of divergence here, especially in this area. So we did have so market open 9:30. Um, we sweep this low, and at first, I mean, I would have took longs if I got a setup that wasn't all the way up here up to this high, but we got a retrace here, and then we swept that high, but there's nothing for me to take in that range, just not worth the risk reward, especially with this gap here. Um, so, considering market conditions and fear of recession, um, I think shorts were a good bias. So that was my bias during the day, and that's the trade I wanted. Or I ultimately took, but didn't hold. So we had this sweep here of this high. Um, this is what I wanted to get happen yesterday: sweep the high and push lower. But we didn't get it, but we got it today. So we got this sweep of this high. Got a retrace here at 10 o'clock. Um, First, let me show you. There was this. It was a bullish SMT. Yeah, from these. No, it's bearish. Yeah, right here. There was a. Where was it? Right here. From those highs to these highs. Nope. 905. Oh wait, I'm sorry. These highs, yeah, right here. So we had this SMT and bearish SMT here. So it's just another confluence to go short. There was some people that went long in here, which I mean, I guess, but you could have made it with this SMT and market conditions. I didn't want to do it, especially since we didn't get a retrace to all the way up here. Yeah, but anyway, we get that sweep. 10 o'clock comes around. Macros open at that point, and then boom, we get this fair value gap. Almost, well, we get this one, inverse that. Then we form this one. We get a huge reaction off this high, which is we like to see. So we get that. We get pushed back into there. We also create this one. And I mean, we had this big leg down. I was like, oh no, here we go again. But thankfully, we retraced up, pushed into here. Another thing I just noticed, we inversed this gap here. And then we created a low right here. Broke structure off of that. there, and then I went short, pretty much there. Risk reward wasn't the best, but it was actually pretty terrible. My stop was up there just to get started, but it was ultimately here. Actually, I'm sorry, I wanted to take out these lows. It was like I think it was like a point 0.7 or something, but something like that. And then spinning drawdown for a little bit. Price pushes out, get a legs out, then we reverse, um, and then I exited about here in on this candle right here, just as we were in profit. You could see I'm up 16 bucks, and then price just runs to TP instantly. That's what I get for not sticking to my strategy and exiting for no reason. So I just close my computer, let it run, let it hit my stop loss or take profit. I need to get better at that. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm just gonna start closing my computer or not looking at it. The difficulty is with that if I have like limit orders and my stop loss gets hit, then those limit orders are still there, and I got to figure out and I got to be able to close them before it enters into another trade. So I just have to keep an eye on this. But on this, there was only one contract because it was a big stop loss. Um, but yeah, would have been a winning day. Would have been nice to get that. At least I am reminded that I can predict price action. I just need to trust myself. Kind of felt like I didn't know what I was doing over the weekend. Kind of lost for some reason. Um, but I clearly know what I'm doing. I know how to predict price action. I know how to day trade. I know the confluences and everything I need to know. I just need to put them to use. And get my mental right. But yeah, day 68. Uh, win lost today, but didn't lose any money. But it was a win. It was a learning day. How about that? Um, but yeah, day 68. See you tomorrow.